Hey folks, this is Jay Watson back again with your HTML tutorials. We're going to learn about line breaks, comments. We're going to learn how to embolden text as well as italicize it. And you notice I have a document already open here with Sublime Text. It's on my desktop, learn.html. In the title it says line breaks, comment, strong. I meant to say bold, but you'll find out there is a reason I did that. And I'll change this bold, and we'll save this change, and let's click on learn.html where you can see what it looks like. We have a heading level 1, line breaks, comments, bold, and italics, and then we have a paragraph, and the paragraph says my name is Jay. I think it's a good name, but I might like to have another name better than that, such as Flash or Strongman or Cool Dude or James Bond. You get the point. Sincerely, Jay. Yes. Okay, so I had 3 paragraph tags there. So first thing, let's learn how to create a line break. Sometimes you may want to break a line of text in the middle of a paragraph. Of course, with HTML, it's white space insensitive, right? So this is the same thing as this. As far as it is concerned, there is one space here. Okay, or this is the same thing as this. It doesn't matter. Let's save it. I'll show you what I mean. Back to Chrome. See, it doesn't matter. Did not change a thing, even though you see what I've done here. Okay, it's white. So if we wanted to insert a line break there, if we wanted to break it, we would have to use the BR tag. And the BR tag, the break tag, is a standalone non-empty tags, a non-empty tag. So far we've been used to working with container tags. Wow, I cannot talk right now. Container tags, of course, have an opening tag and a closing tag. Break tag is a standalone non-empty tag. So let's break the line here. No, let's not do it there. We wouldn't even want to do it. If we look at our web page, we might want 2 spaces here instead of just 1. So let's add an extra line break there. Back to Sublime, let's put a break tag there. Save this. Notice how I did that. Notice the syntax. You will see this tag like this sometimes. You will see it like this. Semantically, I think it's preferred like this. And of course, if it was ever going to be, never mind, just do it this way. This way is better. Let's save it. Yeah, see, bump J down. Let's go ahead just to show you how this would work. Let's insert one here. Let's insert one here. Let's insert 2 there. And you can see how each time I insert one of these line break tags, it will bump it down 1 break space. See? We insert a line break here. It just bumped it down 1 space, whereas the paragraph will will create 2 spaces, and then we've bumped it down 2 spaces here. So, comments. Let's learn how to make an HTML comment. Sometimes you may want to do this for a variety of reasons. You may want to comment your code just to be descriptive. So you may think, what in the world, why would I want to do that? But sometimes if you're working on something complex, you may forget why you did something the way that you did it, so it helps to comment it out. With HTML, I really like it if I'm trying new things and I'm not sure if I want to delete a section out, so I can comment out an entire section. For example, say I'm not sure if I want this paragraph, okay? So I can type an angle bracket, exclamation mark, dash dash, and see how it grayed this entire area out, okay? So until I do dash dash angle bracket, now this area is back. This area is highlighted. You can see it's active, but this is still grayed out. That's because Sublime Text helps us out and it lets us know you've commented that section out. And so let's save this just to show you, because you can see this is still written in my document. Save it, and you can see that area is gone. It's commented out. Okay, and that is just angle bracket, exclamation mark, dash dash, and where you want to close your comment, you want to stop commenting out text, dash dash, angle bracket. Very simple. I'm going to uncomment that. Now we're active again. Okay, bold. Okay, used to, if you would just use the B tag for bold. Well, that's not what the W3C wants us to use. It wants us to be more descriptive, and so it actually wants us to use something called strong, which was an old typesetter term. And so, for example, I want to embolden the word J. I will surround it with the strong tags. Opening tag, closing tag. If I want to italicize this section, it could be a letter, it could be a word. I'm just going to italicize this last section of my document. I want to use the emphasis tag for emphasis, right? It's more descriptive. And this may not make sense to you now, so let's save this, but it will later. And you can see I have emboldened the word J, and I have italicized this entire section of text. And to embolden text, surround whatever you want to make bold with the strong tags. To italicize text, surround whatever you want to italicize with emphasis tags. That's simple. That's simple.